Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share a heartwarming story about patriotism, freedom, and one of the most iconic symbols of the United States, the American flag. This story is perfect for families to watch together and for anyone who wants to reflect on the deeper meaning of this powerful emblem. In a small, quiet town somewhere in America lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was full of life and curiosity. She loved the simple joys of childhood, like playing outside, chasing butterflies in the warm sunshine, and gazing up at the twinkling stars in the night sky. But there was one sight that always made Lily's heart swell with a special kind of pride: the American flag. Every single morning, like clockwork, Lily would wake up to the gentle, rhythmic sound of the flag waving in the breeze just outside her window. She would hop out of bed, run to the window, and pull back the curtains to greet Old Glory. "Good morning," she'd whisper with a smile. She was fascinated by its design. She loved how the bold red and white stripes reminded her of a sweet candy cane. And the brilliant white stars on the deep blue background? To her, they sparkled just like diamonds covered in morning dew. The flag wasn't just a piece of cloth, it was a magical part of her morning routine. One sunny afternoon at school, Lily's teacher, the kind and wise Mrs. Johnson, posed a question to her class. She looked around at the bright, eager faces and asked, "What does the American flag mean to you?" Instantly, Lily's hand shot straight up into the air. She was so excited to answer. "It means freedom," she exclaimed with confidence. "It means we get to choose our leaders, and we get to make our own choices, and we can say what we think." A warm smile spread across Mrs. Johnson's face. "That's exactly right, Lily," she said. "The American flag represents the incredible freedom we have here in the United States. It's a symbol of our country's most important values: justice, equality, and liberty for all." Lily thought deeply about what her teacher said. Her mind wandered to the history lessons she'd learned. She remembered the stories of the brave men and women who fought long and hard to establish America's freedom. She thought about the soldiers who even today protect the country and its people. She pictured the leaders who make difficult and important decisions every day. And she thought about all the everyday people, like her parents and neighbors, who work tirelessly to build a better life for themselves and their families, contributing to the nation in their own unique ways. The flag, she realized, stood for all of them. Later that evening, as the sun began to set, painting the sky in beautiful shades of orange and pink, Lily walked outside with her family. They were heading to the town square for the daily flag lowering ceremony. It was a cherished tradition in their community. As the flag was slowly and respectfully lowered from the pole, everyone in the crowd stood tall, placing their hands over their hearts in a sign of respect. The familiar, stirring notes of the national anthem filled the evening air, and a shiver of pure emotion ran down Lily's spine. It was a powerful moment. Curious, Lily turned to her mom and whispered, "Mommy, why do we do this every day? Why do we raise and lower the flag?" Her mom looked down at her with a gentle expression. "Because, sweetheart," she replied, "it's a reminder. It reminds us of our country's values and of all the sacrifices that were made for the freedom we enjoy. It's also a symbol of unity. Look around," she gestured to the diverse crowd. "We all come together, no matter where we're from, what we look like, or what we believe, to celebrate our country and the precious freedom that we all share." As the neatly folded flag was carried away, Lily felt an immense sense of pride to be an American. In that moment, she understood. She knew that the flag represented the very best of her country, qualities like kindness, unwavering courage, and the incredible freedom to chase your dreams no matter how big they might seem. The flag wasn't just a symbol from a history book, it was a living, breathing promise of opportunity and hope. So what's the lesson we can take from Lily's story? The American flag is so much more than just red, white, and blue fabric. It represents freedom, unity, and the core values of the United States. It's a powerful reminder that we should always respect and appreciate the immense sacrifices made for our country. It encourages us to strive, in our own ways, to make America a better, more inclusive, and more hopeful place for everyone who calls it home. This brings us to some questions for you to think about. We'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. First, what does the American flag mean to you personally? Everyone has a unique perspective, and there's no right or wrong answer. Second, why do you think freedom is so important in our lives and in our society? And finally, what are some ways we can show respect for the flag and for our country? It could be something big or something small. And if you're feeling inspired, here's a fun activity for you and your family. Try drawing your own picture of the American flag. Next to it, write a few sentences about what it means to you, just like Lily did. You could also take some time to learn more about the fascinating history of the flag, how it has changed over the years, and the stories behind its design. Or even better, participate in a local flag ceremony or a community event that celebrates patriotism. It's a wonderful way to connect with your community and feel a part of something bigger. Thank you so much for joining us for this special story today. We hope it gave you a moment to reflect and feel inspired. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more meaningful content like this. Sharing this video with friends and family is another great way to spread the message. Until next time, take care and stay curious.